So what is happening to you?
I'm having asthma cough.
You're having what?
Asthma cough.
You're having matchman cough.
Asthma cough. If I'm coughing, I cannot.
Matchman cough.
Asthma.
Okay, asthma.
Yes, sir.
Are you a graduate?
I just let WAEC this year.
You are not a graduate. You
Yes,
say I
sir.
just get WAEC. Where are you heading to? I said you're a graduate. You say I
No,
just get
sir.
WAEC. Do you want to form?
No.
You have never even entered school. You have already claiming. Also, I just enter. No, I just enter. I just enter what? What do you say you went enter?
I just let WAEC this
You
year.
are a WAEC lighter.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all. And you don't know whether you passed the WAEC.
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what to write there?
No.
It might feel there. Eh?
No.
Eh?
No.
Eh?